Day 3 of this quarantine. I'm gonna switch my mat out. Then when I decide to switch my mat out, I'm gonna put a couple haircuts in here for y'all to see y'all can kick with me. I'm gonna show y'all a whole new setup, how I set my new setup, then we're gonna get into some haircuts. It's finna be crazy. Please lock in with me, focus up, let's get this money. Box we starting with Beam Team Cordless Compressor XL, if y'all don't know. So we starting off with the XL Beam Team Cordless Compressor, which is literally my product. Start off with pamphlet. Shout out to Shannon for creating the dopest pamphlet in the world, step by step. Yeah, you see that on the back. See that big dog in the back? Yeah, this is me. Oh, wait. Get it. Excel, baby. Baby. No trigger gun. Self-cleaning kit. And charger, but we don't need that because we got wireless charger. That's for that box. That's respectable. We got onyx. It's the color I need the most out of all of it. There's 5 onyxes. He must have just gave me a dirty bag because I'm looking to see if this is busted, but it's not. 2 bags of dark brown. Y'all know I run through this all day, every day. My boy Sean cuts hair. Created color enhancement card for the Beam Team Cordless Compressor, so as you guys can see, that's fire right there. Lo and behold, we got a brand new mat. Let me zoom in because this mat finna be fire as hell. Glizzy season, young. So we got a bunch of upgradable things. We got color, we got a new compressor, color enhancement card, new mat. I'm finna move my camera somewhere on my mirror, angle it down, clean up my whole station for y'all so I can see how I reset up my mat and set up my station. And then from there, we're gonna get busy to the day.
Slow that shit down.
So we got the whole setup and everything ready. So now we're just gonna jump into a couple haircuts, couple lineups. I ain't gonna do no in-depth crazy barber tutorials, but I'm gonna just show y'all a little bit of what I could do today with just my setup. I got a new compressor, I got a new mat for fast charging, I got all my power clips working, I got my guard system set up, comb system set up. I'm straight, my station clean. Let's lock in, let's focus up. Let's knock this one out. This one gonna be like a 2 on top. Skin fade on the sides and the back. Kind of do something different with the beard. Y'all see when it's done.
This beat pretty cool.